This is a mindfulness activity or a guided meditation that you can listen to when you are on your way to work. Whether you're commuting, driving, or just getting yourself ready to go to work at your desk at home. It's always good to take a moment to center yourself, your energy, your thoughts, and your attitude before beginning a day at work or a night at work, depending on your schedule. Take a moment to put yourself into a lightly relaxed state. You shouldn't close your eyes, especially if you're driving, but you should take a few deep breaths. Try 4-2-7 breathing if you can. That's an inhale for 4 counts, holding your breath for 2, and slowly exhaling for 7 counts. As you take each breath, gather your energy inward. Think of pulling all the energy around you inside your body and inside your mind. Let's go. Inhale. Hold and exhale. And again, inhale. Hold for 2 and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take another deep breath at any rate you would like. Today is going to be a wonderful day. You can be filled with gratitude, whether you love your job or it's not the favorite job, even if you don't like it at all. You can be filled with gratitude that you have work to do. You get to decide how much meaning this work has. And you can take your thoughts towards thoughts of service, of construction, of creativity, doing something meaningful, showing up, having a can-do attitude, feeling capable, and using your skills. And this can be true regardless of the task at hand, because we never know what a new day or a new shift at work can hold. There may be new tasks to do, there may be new people to encounter, there may be new thoughts and ideas, but there can always be a sense of pride in being fully present, doing your best, using your energy wisely, doing your work mindfully, being proud of anything that you can find to be proud of in your work, whether it's your position, the decisions you make, the fact that you're earning a paycheck, whatever it is that gives you a feeling of accomplishment. Focus on that now and savor it. Each day is like another brick when you're building the legacy of your career, as if you were going to build a beautiful house, a mansion, or even a castle. Brick by brick, piece by piece, stone by stone. Each hour we work contributes towards the body of work we have to do in the world. It is such a joy to work. It is such a joy even when we don't like the work because that is teaching us what we would like to do less of and helping us dream of what we would like to do more of. Today you can start your day with an attitude of service, and you can ask yourself and the universe or any concept you have of God, how can I be of service to myself and others today? How can I bring more meaning to my work? And you can decide, I am going to do a great job with a grateful heart, a positive attitude, a delighted and curious mind, and with presence of spirit. And throughout the day, I'm going to have so many signs. I'm going to have a break, and on my break, I'm going to feel so energized. And I'm going to take that break for my own sanity and health. Then maybe I'll have a meal, depending on the length of my shift at work. I might have lunch or dinner. I'm going to savor every minute of that break for a meal. I'm going to remember to drink water, and I'm going to catch myself several times while at work with a smile on my face. And I'm going to feel that smile in my heart. Today will be a wonderful day at work, and today will contribute to the legacy of my life's work and my career in a fabulous way. It might be overt and obvious. I might accomplish something or receive praise, or it might be like a candle in my heart, a little secret, a glimmer of hope, a new idea. I might be building with my imagination a new step in my career and a change. So this smile on my face and this light in my heart, it's going to come to me today no matter what, no matter how hard this day is, no matter how boring, no matter who I encounter, because I am building my career brick by brick and stone by stone. And today is a part of the whole, and I will embrace it and enjoy it with my whole heart. Have a great day at work.